This is the base bracket for an S-Series combine to mount devices underneath the radio. You can configure it in multiple different ways at displaybracket.com, and I'm going to kind of walk you through the bracket and the different configurations on it. The first configuration is only the L bracket, which comes with obviously the bracket, 3 longer bolts, 3 spacers, and an Allen wrench to install it underneath the radio in a combine. From there, you can add an 1.5-inch ram mount ball. This ball lines up perfectly with the holes in the bracket. It also comes with the correct length bolts, so it makes it super easy to mount an 1.5-inch ram mount to this bracket. You can also configure it on the website to be able to hold a tablet or like a 2600 or 2630 display, 4640 display. Those are all options on the website. If you have all of your own ram mounts and you just need the L bracket, these slots in the bracket are there so that you can pass a larger bolt through it. So it just gives you a lot of different ways to mount devices onto this base bracket. If you have any questions, reach out to us or visit displaybracket.com.